How to change your country or region on Windows 10. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your country on Windows 10 in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to the start icon right here and then choose settings here, and after that you have to choose the you have to choose the time and language from here, and now go to region here, and as you can see now you have this option that says country or region. You can change from it when or what region or country you want. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much.